Today I am going to discuss the synchronization problem, that is sleeping barber problem. In this problem, as the name suggests, that sleeping barber, okay, there is a barber in the salon or in a shop. Okay, when there is a customer, the barber will give the haircut, and when there is no customer in the barber shop, then the barber will sleep. Okay, so this is the case in this sleeping barber problem. Let's see with the help of this diagram. In this diagram, there is a barber chair in the barber room, as you can see here, right? This on this barber chair there is a one in on this bar in this barber room there is one barber and one chair. At a time, barber will cut the hair of one customer, and adjacent to this barber room there is a waiting room here. In this waiting room, customer will enter from this door, right? And will wait in this room. Okay, there is a certain number of chairs and number of chairs in the waiting room. Customer will occupy these chairs, and barber will select the customer from the waiting room and will give the haircut. Okay, and after finishes the haircut, the customer will leave the room from this door and exit. Okay, so here there are some cases. One case is ki if suppose there is all the seats are occupied in the waiting room, all the customer are already sitting here. Okay, then the customer will see the occupied room and will leave the room. Any new customer if comes, then if the all the chairs are occupied, then it will leave the room without any haircut. Okay, and when second case is if there is no customer here in the waiting room, barber will see. If there is no customer, then barber will go to sleep. And if any new customer arrives and see that barber is sleeping, then that customer awakes the barber and get a haircut. Okay, so this is the scenario. Okay, for this there is a solution with the help of semaphore. Okay, so in this solution, there we are taking three semaphore. Okay, and these first two semaphore will have the value 0 and 1. These are the binary semaphore, that is mutex. Okay, barber ready equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that there is no customer. Okay, so barber is going to sleep, matlab barber kya hai, so raha hai. Okay, barber ready equal to 0. Next, the access wr seat. Access wr seat means कि it will access the waiting room seat. Okay, तो waiting room seat को access करने के लिए there is a semaphore access waiting room seat equal to 1, right? And customer ready equal to 0. Customer ready equal to 0 means कि customer ready है hair cut के लिए या नहीं. तो initially there is no customer, so customer ready equal to 0, and barber ready equal to 0 means barber is sleeping now, right? And here number of free waiting room seat. Number of free waiting room seat means equal to n. इसको एक से इनिशियलाइज किया है n से. n is the total number of free seat in the waiting room, means total number of seats, right? So we have initialized some variable and semaphore with the with these values. Okay, now let's discuss the code for barber as well as for customer, right? So first see the code for barber. Barber के लिए wait while true means it will the code will go under the while loop. Okay, will run under the while loop, and in this loop wait customer ready. We have already discussed in the previous lectures in which we have discussed about the semaphore, what is the role of this wait and signal operation in the semaphore, that we have already discussed. Okay, now wait customer ready. Wait customer ready means try to acquire customer. If none available, then barber will go to sleep. Okay, and here we can see initially the customer ready equal to 0. So customer ready equal to 0, as we know the definition of wait function, if the semaphore variable value is less than equal to 0, then do nothing. So here the barber will do nothing and he will go to sleep. Okay, because customer ready equal to 0, there is no customer here. Okay, and if there is no customer, then barber will be here in this line only, it will not go to the next line. Okay, now see the customer code. in the customer code, while true means this code is under the while loop in which wait access the waiting room seat. ओके, वेट फंक्शन हमने अप्लाई किया, एक्सेस डब्ल्यू आर सीट, ये एज ए पैरामीटर हमने पास किया, एक्सेस डब्ल्यू आर सीट ट्राई टू एक्सेस द वेटिंग चेयर। ओके, तो इसमें ये चेक करेगा कि इफ नंबर ऑफ फ्री वेटिंग रूम सीट इक्वल टू 0, okay, wait access wr seat means ki customer is trying to acquire the waiting room chair, and while acquiring the chair first it will check if number of free waiting room seat is greater than 0, means there is any free seat available or not. If this is greater than 0, then number of free seat equal to -1, it means कि customer ने एक seat acquire कर ली और free seat को एक reduce कर दिया, decrement कर दिया, right? Then signal customer ready, signal, what the signal function will do, it will increment the value. तो customer ready starting में क्या था, it is 0, customer ready is 0, so now the customer ready will 1, signal function will increase the value of this semaphore variable, so it will notify the barber who is waiting until there is a customer, right? When the signal customer is ready, then here the value will be 1, customer ready signal ho gaya because one customer has arrived. In that case this line will run wait customer ready, then the next line wait access wr seat. Okay, here the wr seat is 1, means access waiting room seat is 1, then the barber will access the seat customer, and now number of free waiting room seat will be incremented by 1 because the barber has accessed one customer for haircut, and now there is one free seat is available for other customers. Okay, so number of free seat में 1 increment हो जाएगा. Okay, then signal barber is ready, then barber will signal that I am ready to cut the hair, and then signal access wr seat, it means don't need to lock the chairs for anymore. Don't need to lock the chair anymore, and now the barber will cut the hair. Okay, here customer is ready, then wait barber ready, यहाँ तक हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. If the customer arrived, then it will check the free seat. If free seat is available, then number of free seat will be -1 because customer has occupied one seat, and now customer signal ready. If the customer signal ready will be 1, then the barber will do its work. Okay, and now wait barber ready. Wait barber ready means wait until the barber is ready. Okay, if the barber is cutting the hair for some other customer, then this wait function will be called. Okay, if barber is ready, then have a haircut here. Okay, this is the case if there is a vacant seat in the waiting room. If there is not a vacant seat in the waiting room, then we will come to the else part. In the else part, otherwise there is no free seats, then signal access wr seat means, but don't forget to release the lock on the seats. Okay, and the customer will leave without the haircut because there is a no vacant seat available in the barber waiting room. Okay, so this is the case for, this is the solution for barber as well as customer, right? Thank you.